If you go out and buy these scaffolding, they're kind of narrow. They're good to get in tight places. But when you get up 3 layers high, they get kind of top heavy, get kind of shaky. They feel like they're easy to turn over. So in order to fix that, you stick something like this on there. What we have here is a 2x4, 10 foot long. So they're more than 3 times as wide. And then you come up to here and you bolt these together. The bolt goes in here, so that your top and bottom is bolted together. The board is bolted to it and it's braced. And you take some of that shake out. Actually, take a whole lot of the shake out. Now, if you want it to be even less shaky, you can take another board and go up to the next layer. That's going to be probably I would say a 16 foot long or more to get it up there.
Sweet.